Have you ever pondered the impact of greenhouse gas emissions on our planet's temperature levels? Some say it's significant, others, not so much. Well, a recent paper from Statistics Norway, the National Statistical Institute, titled, "To What Extent Are Temperature Levels Changing Due to Greenhouse Gas Emissions?" has certainly stirred the pot. This paper boldly challenges standard climate models based on time series data on global temperatures. It concludes that man-made CO2 emissions do not appear to have a significant impact on the pattern of temperature fluctuations. A daring stance indeed, as it openly addresses questions often considered taboo by many in the climate change arena, such as the historical climate record and the existence of uncertainty among scientists. Now let's contrast this with mainstream climate change theories. Predominantly, these theories argue that the rise in global temperatures is due to the increase in man-made greenhouse gases, primarily carbon dioxide. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, for instance, states unequivocally that human influence has been the dominant cause of the observed warming since the mid-20th century. So what's the deal with the Statistics Norway paper? It suggests that natural variability could be playing a more significant role than previously thought, and human activity may not be the primary driver of global warming. A controversial stance, to say the least. But why does this matter? Well, if the findings of this paper hold, it could potentially reshape our understanding of climate change. It might even influence policy decisions, which are currently heavily focused on reducing carbon emissions. If natural variability is indeed a significant factor, our efforts might need to be redirected. In conclusion, the Statistics Norway paper has presented a different perspective on the role of greenhouse gases in global warming. It questions the consensus and pushes for a broader discussion on the causes of climate change. It's a reminder that science is a process of continuous learning and questioning, and while the debate continues, the need for action to protect our planet remains clear. Remember, in the face of climate change, every bit of knowledge, every action counts. After all, this is our only home, and its care is in our hands.